Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Brevo CRM to manage your leads and your deals. So by the end, you'll know how to create an account, organize contacts, create segments, add companies, track deals, and assign tasks all inside of Brevo. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you really through everything that you need to know to master the entire platform, and we do it step by step. So, without further ado, let's get started. If you're new to Brevo, let me give you a brief overview of what Brevo CRM actually is. Brevo CRM is a customer relationship management tool built to help you organize and track all of your business relationships in one place. It helps you manage leads, deals, and communications efficiently so that you can stay focused on converting prospects into customers. Now that you know what Brevo CRM is, let's move forward and see how you can create your account. Once the homepage appears, look for the sign up for free button, which you can find either at the top right or the top left corner of the page. Click sign up for free and you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Now you'll see options such as sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, sign up with email. For this tutorial, we'll go with the email option. Now enter your email address and password, then click create an account. Brevo will send a verification link to your inbox. So open your email, click the verification link and confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the setup page. Now follow the prompts to personalize your account according to your business needs. When you're done, you'll land on the Brevo dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a left-hand menu that includes the main sections like Home, CRM, Marketing, Automation, Transactional, and Conversations. Click on that CRM tab from the left menu, and it will expand into multiple options such as contacts, lists, segments, companies, deals, tasks, and custom objects. Now, each of these options serves a very specific and unique purpose in managing your leads and sales activities. Now that you're familiar with the layout, let's see how you can filter leads using segments. So to create segments and filter leads, go to the left menu and click on the CRM tab. Once it expands, select segments. You will then be taken to the segments page where all of your existing segments are listed. At the top right corner, click the plus create a segment button. You'll now be redirected to a new page where you can define rules to filter your leads. You'll see two options: create segment from scratch or create from the available ready-made templates. If you want more control, click create segment from scratch. Now, you'll see your list of contacts on the screen. At the top, there's a button called Add Filter. This is where you'll set your filtering rules. Click Add Filter and choose Email from the dropdown. After selecting it, you'll see multiple conditions like email opened, email sent, or email clicked. For example, if you want to see all contacts who received an email in, say, the last 6 months, select email sent. Then set the frequency to at least one time and time period to last 6 months. Now, as you apply these filters, your segment will instantly show only the contacts that meet your conditions. If you need to add more rules, use the and or buttons to refine the results. Once you're happy with the filters, click the Save as Segment button at the right corner. Enter a name for your segment and then click Save. Your segment is now ready to use and will appear in your list of saved segments. Now let's move on to managing companies inside of Brevo CRM. To add and manage companies, navigate to the left menu and click the CRM tab once again. From that expanded list, select companies. This will take you to the companies page. At the top right corner, click the Create Company button. You'll now see a form where you can add company details. Enter the company name, website, industry, phone number, and really any other pertinent and relevant details that you need. You can also link the company to specific contacts or deals to keep everything connected. Once you have filled out all the required fields, click Create. Now the new company will appear in your list of companies. To manage that company or any company, click on its name. This will open the company's detail page. Here you will find three main sections: Overview, History, and Associations. In Overview, you can view and edit basic information like the company name, website, revenue, and assigned owner. In History, you can track when the company was created, updated, or linked with a deal. In Associations, you can link contacts, deals, or tasks to this company, which allows you to manage all related data in one convenient place. At the top of the page, you'll also see quick action buttons such as Note, Task, Deal, and Email. You can use these to record updates, create tasks, or communicate directly with the company. Once your company information is updated, it's time to learn how to create and track deals. So, to do that, go back to the left menu and click the CRM tab. Then select Deals. The Deals page displays your current deals in a pipeline view. So, to create a new one, click on the Create a Deal button in the top right corner. A panel will open on the right side of the screen where you can enter deal details. Start by selecting the contact link to the deal, and if applicable, choose the company associated with it. Enter a descriptive deal name that clearly identifies the opportunity, also, so you won't forget. Next, select the deal stage to show where the deal currently stands in your pipeline. Choose the deal amount and then set the close date to define your timeline. Now, below that, there's an option to create a task for follow up. You can enable this to stay organized by setting task details such as type, due date, and time. Once everything is complete, click Create. Your new deal will appear on the deals page, and also, as well, you can drag and drop in between stages as it progresses or filter deals by owner, stage, or value. Now that your deals are set up, let's move on to assigning and managing tasks to keep your workflow organized. To assign and manage tasks, go back to the left menu and click again on CRM. Then select Tasks. You'll now be on the new Tasks page. Click on the Create Task button at the top right corner. A panel will open on the right side where you can fill out your task details. So start by choosing the task type from the dropdown, such as meeting, call, email, or to do. Then enter a short, clear task name so that it's easy to identify later. Set the due date and time to schedule when the task needs to be completed. If you want Brevo to remind you before the deadline, enable the Set Reminder option and choose your preferred reminder time. Next, select the task priority to mark how urgent it is. You can also add additional information under notes such as meeting points, key details, or follow-up actions. After reviewing everything, click Create. Your task will now appear on the Tasks page. You can later mark it as complete, edit it, or assign it to another team member as needed. By using the Tasks section effectively, you can stay on top of follow-ups, meetings, and other important actions that move your deals forward. Now that we've covered every essential feature, let's wrap up this tutorial. That is how you use Brevo CRM to manage your leads and deals from start to finish. You've learned how to create an account, use segments to filter leads, add and manage companies, create and track deals, and organize tasks for better productivity. Now, if you want to learn more about Brevo's automation tools and marketing campaigns, don't forget, check out that link that we put down below in the description to get access to our complete Brevo course and enjoy 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.